So I've got the DJI Osmo Action 5 and I'll be showing you how to mute the camera sounds. So the camera does make lots of sounds by default. So you have the off sound, and then you have the on sound, and then some sounds as you navigate the user interface. So to mute those, simply swipe down and tap on settings. Under settings, you want to scroll until you see sounds. So you can tap on that. You can see the sound is set to high. So you can reduce the volume to medium or low. But if you want to completely mute it, just select mute. And that's going to turn off all the sounds. And now you can try and even turn off the camera. And it turns off silently. And you can turn it on quietly as well. So that's basically how to mute the camera sounds of your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.